every function needs an inaugural function. We have some important guests, VIPs, VVIPs, who always are there to guide us, support us, and maybe the root cause for this webinar. Let me put upon all the participants here. This webinar is the brainchild of none other than our Mira Bhayandar Municipal Commissioner, Mr. Dilip Doleji, who had called all pediatricians and told ki I want to train each and every staff of Mira Bhayandar so that they are well prepared for the third wave, in which pediatric and neonatal cases will be there. So big thank you for him for coming out with such a novel idea. And today we are there with more than 200 participants. I welcome all the guests today. Let me welcome our IMA Maharashtra State President, Dr. Ramkrishna Londe, our State Secretary, Dr. Pankaj Bhandarkar, our President-elect of IMA Maharashtra, Dr. Suhas Pingle. Let me welcome our local MLA, the charming and smiling Geeta Ji Jain, our own MBMC Commissioner, Mr. Dilip Doleji, and Center Head of Wockhardt Hospital. I hand over the mic to Dr. Rakhi to start the inaugural function.
I'm very thankful to each and every one of you for making this program successful. This was the mind of our Commissioner Dilipji Doleji. He has suggested us, we take up the cause. We are able to conduct the program today, and we are happy to say that so many nurses have joined and benefited. If it wasn't the Corona times, we would have done the practical tips, but then there is a lot of time to train. Theory is very, very much important. From the core of the heart, all the senior members who are there to bless us, IMA Mira Bhayandar, to give us the awareness platform. We are very thankful to you. So Dr. Rajiv has already told how many people are there. There are so many nurses and so many speakers. To each and every one, I salute every one of you, because you will be part to carry the third wave. This is the preparation for the third wave. I hope it doesn't come, but if it comes, we should be too much prepared. So I start with a small inaugural ceremony, which is Zoom. I'll start with the permission.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Teachers open the door, but you must enter by yourself. So today we have the session, but everybody should grasp what they have been taught. With the permission of Commissioner Sir, we've made a tobacco release video, which we will like everybody to see.
Tobacco use is the single most preventable cause of death globally. All forms of tobacco are deadly every year. Over a million people die from tobacco. World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on the 31st of May. It highlights the health risks associated with tobacco use and advocates for effective policies to reduce tobacco consumption. The COVID-19 pandemic has led to millions of tobacco users saying they want to quit. The theme of this year is Commit to Quit. Its objective is to encourage all persons worldwide who smoke or chew tobacco to quit it. The nicotine found in tobacco is highly addictive and creates dependence. The behavioral and emotional ties to tobacco use make it hard to kick the habit. The harms of tobacco use are well established. Tobacco causes 8 million deaths every year, and when the news came out that smokers were more likely to develop severe disease with COVID-19 compared to non-smokers, it triggered millions of smokers to want to quit tobacco. COVID-19 is an infectious disease that primarily attacks the lungs. Smoking impairs lung function, making it harder for the body to fight off coronaviruses and other respiratory diseases. Available research suggests that smokers are at higher risk of developing severe COVID-19 outcomes and death. Tobacco smokers, cigarettes, water pipes, biddies, cigars, heated tobacco products may be more vulnerable to contracting COVID-19, as the act of smoking involves contact of fingers and possibly contaminated cigarettes with the lips, which increases the possibility of transmission of viruses from hand to mouth. Smoking water pipes, also known as shisha or hookah, often involves the sharing of mouthpieces and hoses, which could facilitate the transmission of the COVID-19 virus in communal and social settings. However, existing evidence indicates that electronic nicotine delivery systems (ENDS) and electronic non-nicotine delivery systems (ENNDS), more commonly referred to as e-cigarettes, are harmful and increase the risk of heart disease and lung disorders. Given that the COVID-19 virus affects the respiratory tract, the hand-to-mouth action of e-cigarette use may increase the risk of infection. Using smokeless tobacco often involves some hand-to-mouth contact. Another risk associated with using smokeless tobacco products, like chewing tobacco, is that the virus can be spread when the user spits out the excess saliva produced during the chewing process. Use of tobacco in any form robs you of your health and causes debilitating diseases. Tobacco causes many types of cancer. Smoking and smokeless tobacco use cause oral cancer, cancers of the lips, pharynx, larynx and esophagus, acute myeloid leukemia, cancer of the nasal and paranasal sinus cavities. Quitting will help to protect your loved ones, especially children, from exposure to second-hand smoke. WHO recommends the use of proven interventions such as toll-free quit lines, mobile text messaging cessation programs, and nicotine replacement therapies (NRTs) among others, for quitting tobacco use. It's our responsibility to prevent young people from starting to smoke tobacco. Smoke can measurably contribute to air pollution levels in a city. Not just today, make every day World No Tobacco Day. You are not just saving yourself by saying no to tobacco, you are saving your family, you are saving planet Earth.
So that was it. From the core of heart, I welcome everyone. There are two people worth mentioning here, Dr. Niranjan Agarwal sir and Dr. Prakash Yadav sir. We would like to felicitate them. Dr. Niranjan Agarwal sir, he is a general surgeon. Recently, he's become the president of ASI, and Dr. Prakash Yadav sir has become MOH. We would like to felicitate them. Please accept, sir.
जो अपना ट्रेनिंग रखा है, ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम इन पेडियाट्रिक्स एंड न्यूरोलॉजी फॉर नर्सेस एंड डॉक्टर, आज के प्रोग्राम के ऑनरेबल गेस्ट एमएलए गीता जैन मैडम, देन ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर राखी अग्रवाल मैडम, देन डॉक्टर राजीव अग्रवाल एंड ऑनरेबल डॉक्टर्स एंड पेडियाट्रिशियंस, ये सब लोगों ने, हम लोगों ने आज प्लानिंग करके विद द हेल्प ऑफ यू पीपल वी आर अरेंज द ट्रेनिंग फॉर nurses as well as the doctors. In future, if third wave arises, then there is no any alternative to arrange the training along with the different types of treatments, so that we need you people, because in municipal corporations we are having only 2 pediatricians. ये जो आइडिया था अग्रवाल साहब के साथ बात करने के बाद, देन डॉक्टर राखी अग्रवाल मैडम के साथ बात करने के बाद, उन्होंने हम लोग का आइडिया दिया कि चलो हम आपके साथ में ट्रेनिंग ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे, साथ साथ में हमारे नर्सेज लोगों को आप ट्रेन करेंगे, और उसका फायदा जब अगर थर्ड वेव आया, जैसा मैडम ने बताया, आमदार मैडम ने, हम चाहते हैं हमारा सब तैयारी वेस्ट हो जाए तो चलेगा, बट ये वेव नहीं आना चाहिए। अगर बैड लक के लिए आया तो हमारा सब अरेंजमेंट प्रॉपर होना चाहिए, ट्रेनिंग प्रॉपर होना चाहिए। इसलिए हम लोगों ने कॉर्पोरेशन की तरफ से 300 बेड का बच्चों लोगों के लिए टेम्पा हॉस्पिटल में सब तैयारी करके रखा है। उसके अंदर जो भी छोटा मोटा लेके वो आज हम फुलफिल कर रहे हैं। तो वेल इन एडवांस टेम्पा हॉस्पिटल में म्यूनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन कम से कम 300 बच्चे का अच्छा इलाज करेंगे, वो हिसाब से हॉस्पिटल का सब अरेंजमेंट कर दिया है। उधर ऑक्सीजन की और बाकी जो फैसिलिटीज़ है, वेंटिलेटर, देन बाकी बाईपैप और लगने वाला सब जो चीज़ है वो उधर तैयार रखा है। खाली कम चीज़ है वो डॉक्टर और नर्सेज का ट्रेनिंग की, वो भी आप लोगों के सहयोग से आज पूरा हो रहा है, और आने वाले दिनों में 2-3 बार और ट्रेनिंग ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे। तो वो हिसाब से हमारा नर्स डॉक्टर सब ट्रेन रहेंगे। तो हमारा मेरा बहंदर के लिए आप सब लोग IMA और ये सब डॉक्टर का आपका टीम जो है, तो वो जब तैयार रहेगा तो मेरा बहंदर में बच्चों के लिए डरने वाला कोई प्रॉब्लम मुझे नहीं लगता रहेगा। और यहाँ का जो आज सबका प्रेजेंस देख के तो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस और बढ़ गया कि इतना टीम अगर मेरे साथ में है तो ये कॉर्पोरेशन में बीइंग ए कमिश्नर ऑफ दिस कॉर्पोरेशन तो कोई मुझे 1 टक्का भी टेंशन नहीं लग रहा है। बाकी चीज़ के लिए, हर एक चीज़ के लिए हम आपके साथ में है। बीच में जो ऑक्सीजन क्राइसिस आया था उसके लिए भी मैं वापस दोबारा आपको बोल देता हूँ कि जो रिफिलिंग प्लांट है थाना से और एक प्लांट हमारे साथ जुड़ा है, और यहाँ जितना सिलेंडर्स लगेगा तो सब भर के देने के लिए और 1-2 लोगों ने हमारे साथ अप्रोच किया है। तो इन बिटवीन हम उनके साथ भी एग्रीमेंट करके रखेंगे तो अगर थर्ड वेव आया तो इन ऑल सेंस हम रेडी अडल्ट के लिए एज वेल एज बच्चों के लिए। तो आपके सहयोग से हमारी जो जंग है जीत जाएंगे और आप रियल वॉरियर्स है। तो आपके सहयोग से, आपके गाइडेंस से हमारे कॉर्पोरेशन की जितने नर्सेस है, डॉक्टर्स है, एज वेल एज ऑफिसर्स है।
First of all, thank you Rakhi ji and Commissioner ji for this wonderful event, because it was though the brainchild of Commissioner ji, but am I clear? Yes.
Madam, you go on, please. You are clear.
Am I clear?
Yes, yes, madam. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
You are audible, madam.
So, and full team, Rajiv ji, Rakhi, full team, thank you very much. कि आपने जैसे ही कमिश्नर जी ने उनका आइडिया कहा और यू सेड ओके विल डू इट, so thank you very much. As very rightly Dr. said Longe, he said कि बच्चों को नहीं मालूम है, they cannot express कि उनको क्या हो रहा है, so it is up to doctor, और डॉक्टर का काम वहां डबल हो जाता है जब बच्चों को कोई तकलीफ होती है, क्योंकि वो आपको एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते, विच इज वेरी राइट। एंड ये हमारी जवाबदारी उसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है। अगर थर्ड वेव आता है, लेट्स प्रे वो आए ही नहीं, हमारी इतनी तैयारी वेस्ट जाएगी तो भी चलेगा, बट लेट्स प्रे कि थर्ड वेव आए ही नहीं। लेकिन अगर आता है तो वी ऑल शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड, एंड आई नो दैट विद द हेल्प ऑफ म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर एंड द टीम and also the team of doctors IMA Mira Bhayandar, I'm talking about only Mira Bhayandar, so also with the team of IMA Mira Bhayandar, hopefully हम थर्ड वेव को जवाब देने के लिए तैयार है। And Rakhi, it was timely and truly the video about your smoking was very timely, because in dino corona is like related somewhere to lungs, and showing that मुझे लगता है it was very helpful. Thank you Rakhi ji for that. Thank you everybody. Thanks each and everyone to be here. Special thanks to all the doctors, all the nurses and all paramedical staff, because it is possible because of you all. Thank you everybody and have a very good day. जैसे आपने अभी स्मोकिंग का बनाया, वैसे पेरेंट्स के लिए हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ देयर चाइल्ड एंड व्हाट सिम्टम्स में अगर वो जान पाए बच्चों का, तो ऐसा एक फिल्म बना के हम सोशल मीडिया पे अगर करें तो मुझे लगता है वो भी एक बहुत अच्छा हमारी तरफ से इनिशिएटिव होगा।
Commissioner of Mira Bhayandar, Dilip Dhole, and the local MLA, Mrs. Jain. This training, you have specially taken into account the nurses, who are very, very important part of health delivery system. We work as a team, doctors, nurses, and other paramedical staff. So I really appreciate that you are training them also in the third wave, which we are predicting that will hit the pediatric age group. So I really appreciate that, and I thank the Mira Bhayandar IMA for this novel idea and the lecture series. Thank you very much.
Honorable Commissioner of the Mira Bhayandar, Dhole ji, Honorable MLA Mira Bhayandar, Gita Madam ji, all awardees, dear friends, our President-elect, IMAMS President-elect, Dr. Pingle sir, Honorable Secretary, Dr. Pankaj sir, President IMA Mira Bhayandar, Rakhi Madam, Secretary Neeraj Jindal, our dynamic treasurer, Dr. Rajiv Agarwal ji, IMAMS office bearers of IMA Mira Bhayandar, all delegates, doctors, staff, friends. I congratulate IMA Mira Bhayandar for organizing a wonderful webinar. It's a practical one. It's very a need of, I can say it a need of ours, because we are predicting the third wave and it may affect our budding children. It's a very crucial one, and it is very difficult to manage a child, because child can't complain, because parents will say something, but as a patient, small children can't utter any words, particularly pertaining to this disease process. But it's a very tricky, difficult one. And again, it will be helpful if they are trained, our doctors are trained, our sisters are trained, because in our profession, training is the most important tool. Because training and practice means it makes perfect a healthcare person. It may be a sister, it may be a doctor, it may be a healthcare person also. Okay, because this is a very good one. Good topic is very good and very practicable, and it will be helpful to tackle issues coming over here, because this COVID is a very new one. Nobody faced such problem in last decade, or so we can say up till now. Now I am not getting more time. First of all, I congratulate again and wishing you all the best. So now I conclude my remarks saying it will be very well useful one, and best wishes to all these proceedings.
You took my name?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. So, good morning, everybody. Respected Commissioner, Sir Dilip Dholeji, our President, Dr. Ramkrishna Londe, President-elect, Dr. Suhas Pingle, my colleague, Dr. Rajiv Agarwal, President, IMA Mira Bainder, Dr. Rakhi Agarwal, Secretary, Honorary Secretary Mira Bainder, Dr. Jindal. At the outset, let me congratulate all of you, including Commissioner, Sir, for taking this issue and updating our medical personnel, mainly our doctors and nurses. I will be very brief. As you all know, aware that second wave took us by surprise. Everybody was thinking that Corona is over, but that did not happen. So this time it is better to be prepared. It is better to be prepared for the third wave. Another thing, as a modern medicine practitioners, we always learn by experience and experiments. Our main aim is to treat the people, make them free of any disease, as our motto is. And for that, we will keep on doing it. We have done it in past, we are doing it now, and we will be doing it in future also. So once again, let me congratulate all of you. And I am sure, because the pediatric examination and treating is definitely different from the adult medicine. And to the first contact of all these patients is general practitioners and sometimes nurses also. So it is a good thing that we have taken up this program of training them. So again, I congratulate you. Thank you for giving this opportunity to join it. Thank you, Dr. Raj.
Commissioner of Mira Bainder, Dilip Dhole, and the local MLA, Mrs. Jain. This training, you have specially taken into account the nurses, who are very important part of health delivery system. We work as a team, doctors, nurses, and other paramedical staff. So I really appreciate that you are training them also in the third wave, which we are predicting that will hit the pediatric age group. So I really appreciate that, and I thank the Mira Bainder IMA for this novel idea and the lecture series. Thank you very much.